In this video, we'll learn how to use the Booking Panel Appearance module in Book24Seven. This feature lets you fully customize the booking interface to match your brand's look and feel. Let's dive in. From your Book24Seven dashboard, click Appearance in the sidebar. Here, you can choose from 7 ready-made, pre-designed themes or create your own. Simply click Select to apply any theme. Ready-made themes are perfect if you want instant branding without manual customization. If you go to your booking page and refresh it, you can see the changes. If you prefer a custom style with more control, click Create New Style. The theme editor allows you to customize multiple visual elements. First, name your theme so you can easily edit it later. Then set the panel height to adjust the vertical space of the booking panel. Choose a font and panel background color, followed by text color, active step color, and inactive step color to customize the progress bar. Next, adjust the colors for titles and headings, borders, and service prices. You can also click Hide Steps to remove the step progress bar if needed. For advanced design control, you can use custom CSS. Paste your CSS code into the Custom CSS section to achieve pixel-perfect styling. Then click Save. Your theme will appear in the Custom Themes list. Click Select to activate it. Again, go to your booking page and refresh it to see your changes. Remember, only one theme can be active at a time. To edit a custom theme, select it from the list, make your changes, and click Save to update instantly. To delete a theme, select it and click Delete. Keep in mind, you cannot delete the currently active theme. Switch to another theme first. And that's it. With these tools, your booking panel won't just work smoothly, it will look great too.